Hey guys, and welcome to the Stylized Art in 3D Masterclass and Community. So this is a program that's basically meant to take you from someone who's a beginner to making your own high-quality stylized works that are just amazing and stunning, all using the completely free software Blender 3D. Now this class has complete courses on topics like creating characters from scratch, beautiful scenes and animations, environments, assets, and much other stuff. Now, I know how you may be feeling. Blender seems complex, there's a bunch to learn, it's hard to find the information you need in a structured place, or maybe you don't feel like you're even that good of an artist or you're very new to art entirely. Look, I was once in your shoes, new to making works like this, and just confused by all of the different parts that go into making models and animations in this style. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way, it doesn't have to be super overly complicated? Because when you join this masterclass, you're going to quickly build up real skills that you're going to immediately be able to get tangible results with. Our students are having tons of fun making art like this and finally gaining the power to realize their artistic visions. Now look guys, not so long ago I was just a guy growing up in kind of a messed up household, and I was making art like this, and though it wasn't good, it was kind of like a coping mechanism to me, and that's why I think having the power to create is just something that's so amazing and valuable for people to have. But let's be real, good information, especially on making beautiful art like this, is just hard to find. It's really just scattered everywhere and not taught very well. And in fact, part of what I share in my masterclass are personal techniques I've developed over the years through trial and error, which I don't really talk about much elsewhere or even see being talked about much elsewhere. So just imagine how much time you'd be saving yourself with a class like this, where you can just easily go back to and reference whenever you need it. And not only that, another important thing is that in this class I talk about the very important observational and design techniques I use to make art that looks amazing. Because simply knowing how to use Blender is not enough, you need to also train your eye more and level up your observational skills. Because being able to observe properly is just as important as knowing how to use Blender, as it can make or break the actual look of the art that you make. Additionally, with this masterclass there's tons of bonuses. For example, you'll get access to the paid custom tools and add-ons for Blender that I've developed over the years specifically for making awesome stylized art like this way easier, and you're going to get all of them for free upon joining. So yeah guys, with this class I'll just be giving you all of the techniques you need up front without you having to go through that whole multiple year trial and error process of figuring this and that out, and you can actually get to your goals way faster. Now this masterclass is not your regular course. For one, I maintain it and keep it up to date, which is very important in an industry like 3D that, sometimes changes a little bit over time, which is why it's so good. You can just buy it once and then refer back to it, learn at your own pace, and all that good stuff. And two, if you join, we also have a community where you can ask for help in if you get stuck. You can also, of course, share your art and chill and just talk in there as well. Look guys, I'm not naturally talented. I don't even believe much in natural talent personally. In fact, growing up, I actually always had this belief that I can never be good, which is why I just got stuck and never really learned or improved as fast as I wanted to. Until one day I finally changed my mindset and made the intention to actually improve myself over time. So if you believe in yourself, I hope to see you inside. One more thing though, this is a class that I've been adding more and more content to over time, and with that, the price may increase for new members in the future if I add even more, which I'm probably going to be doing. But if you join today and buy the full masterclass, you lock in your current price, as well as keep access to both everything that's there and what I'm going to add in the future as well, free of charge. So I hope to see you inside, you'll learn a lot, and let's win together.